हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस ट्यूटोरियल। और आज हम आपको बताने वाले हैं कि जावा क्या चीज़ है, और जावा में पहला लेक्चर हम आज स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। तो सबसे पहली बात जो है, जावा जो है ये एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज है जो आज के ज़माने में सबसे ज़्यादा चलने वाली और सबसे ज़्यादा यूजिंग लैंग्वेज है इस करंट वर्ल्ड की। और तमाम मॉडर्न एप्स, वेदर आपके फ़ोन की एपीकेज और इंटरनेट इट्सल्फ, फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप और ट्विटर, एवरीथिंग वर्क्स ऑन जावा। सो जावा की जो बहुत सारी एप्लीकेशंस आज के ज़माने में पाई जाती है, और आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं इसी जावा के रिलेटेड में कि जावा क्या है एंड हाउ इट डेवलप्ड। एंड we'll start our first program in Java, and that's printing anything on screen. Okay, when you are typing anything in the codes and how it is printed, how it gets printed on the main screen, we will learn that. Program today. Now let's start with the basic that Java has no full form firstly, and Java is an independent language that every user can use it, and also it's the eco-friendly language after C and C++. And Java has many users in this current world. Now let's get started with our program. Now this is the operating system I'm using right now. It's Linux, and Linux have an different interface with respect to Windows 7 or Windows 10. So firstly, we all the one who is starting with this Java program, he needs to have an repositories, built-in repositories for Java SDKs. For Windows you can download it, or for the Linux you can also download it, or you can just go to the software manager and then you can type JDK, and you will find the latest version of JDK, Java JDK. So the version which I am using right now, it's Java JDK 11, and it's the latest version of JDK. Now let's get started. So what we need to do, JDK is already installed. Now the second step, from second step we will start Java programming. So we need to right click here, and here's create new document, and we need to create an empty document. So this is without any name, without any extension. The first thing which we need to do is type in extension. Now the extension used in Java programming, that's .java. Why we use .java? We can use it before typing the code, or we can use it after we have completed the typation of this code. So if we will type before of this, if we will type before writing the code, we will type the extension of this file. Now what will happen when we will type any code, the JDK itself will operate on it, and it will show whether any error is there, or whether we are typing right or whether we are typing wrong. So this all will be considered if we will write the extension here. And if we will not write the extension, it will work like ordinary new text document works on every operating system. It will have no color, and it will be black and white, and we will not understand easily what we are typing, and are we typing right, or are we typing wrong. So that's why I'm giving here, it's my first program, so I write first .java. You can type anything, so .java is must. So after this I'll open this, and then here you will see a new this empty document interface came into the existence, and we need to type code here. So starting with the basic, we can write class, and here you will see the green color on the class, or we can type public and space and class. So sorry, here public, and we can type both the codes. But if we will type public, then the name which we will keep on this here first. So this must be written here first, or it will not work, otherwise it will not work simply. If we will cancel this public and we will type simple class, then we can type here anything. Suppose I'm taking A, and from here the curved bracket starts. You can place curved bracket here or you can place curved brackets here, doesn't matter. So what this curved bracket is, what is the significance of this curved bracket here? This curved bracket here it shows us it's actually a trick, you can say a tricky thing in this Java, that we start curved bracket and then we say Java that it appears to Java that the whole program is a single code. That's why we start curved bracket, and at last we will close this curved bracket so that the code starts from here and it will end here. So this is all of the significance why we use curved brackets. Okay, then the second line will be public. This will be in every program, every Java program. Public static void and main and string args. So actually what it is the included library in the Java folder. So this public static void main string args, it is an included file system, it is an included library, you can see, in Java, and the Java program will not run because it signifies the path. It starts or it initiates a system of typing this code. So that's why we need to type public static void main string arguments. Okay, so this is what this is why we are writing here public static void main, so that this program while compiling it will understand where from I need to get these codes. If we are typing, suppose we are typing hello, how it does know what hello means. If we will type integer types, how it will interpret that what this int means, what this one means. So this all is written in a program itself, and this is the location of the file, you can see, or this is the file name. So that's why we initiate the process. For initiating we write public static void main and string arguments, and then we will press enter. Now from here our program will start. The program had already started, but here this is the main part of the program on which user needs to you can say on which user needs to have a good hold so that he can type anything, or he can understand, he can make people understand what actually it is. So let's get started. I need to type a simple program. I need to show you how to print on screen anything, any text, so that while we will do a bigger programs, at that time how it will interpret what we are typing, what it will display, how it will interpret. So so we will start from this basic. So let's get started. We will type system, and S should be capital. It's also included in the library system dot out dot print. Okay, here you can type print or you can type println. It does not matter at all, because this program is a single line program. That means that after this line we have nothing to print. So that's why we don't need whether the program needs to go into the second line or it will print in the same line. So because the program is single line, that means whether we are in the first line or whether we are in the second line, the program will print. Okay, so that's why if we will write println, that means it has to change its paragraph, and it has to type in another line. So that's why we use ln here, or we can use this \n as well, but not here inside the program, but here you can use print or println. So I'm using print so that you will a bit understand this. And then I'm using inverted columns. Why are these inverted columns used? These are inverted commas, sorry. Inverted commas means that this program is to be displayed on the main screen while we will compile it. So that's why we use. If we will not use inverted commas, then it will interpret. If we will type suppose k, it will find the value of k. Okay, if we will type here, I'll show you. If we would have typed it here, k is equal to int and then intb, and then closed this, terminated this, that means it would type here the value of k. So this was the, but we don't need to, we don't need this much. We just I just want you to I want to show you that how you have to print the line studies 24 into 7. So we will start here inverted commas. Inverted comma means that it is not, it is not it's not connected with any other file, so it will initiate itself, and it will not look whether it is any code, or whether it has any value, or whether it is connected with anything. It will just simply print. Okay, inverted commas will just simply print whatever you will write in inverted commas, that will be printed on the main screen. So I will write STUDIE studies 24 cross 7, and this program, this is terminator. What terminator means? That means it terminates the program here, and furthermore the program will not, the line will not start. Okay, this line, this whole line, this is the line, and it started from this studies, and it will end here at 7, and it terminates it. That after it there's nothing, and then we will close this curved bracket, and we will close this curved. This curved bracket, this one, is for this, because this is our second curved bracket. So, and this curved bracket is for this. So this line is connected in this curved bracket. Okay, after this, and this whole program till this, it's in these two brackets. So this is all about how we are, what is the significance, and how this program works, and why we are typing these all language codes, and what is actually you can say the significances of this class, public, static, void, system.out.println, or these inverted commas, or these terminators, or these curved brackets. Hope you would have understood this. Now let me compile this. I'm saving this, Control and S, and then I'll start compiling it. And how we need to compile it? We will right click here, and here it is open in terminal. That means this folder will be opened in terminal. Okay, here you will see this is /desktop, and this is Java. Okay, now I'll type javac javac, and name of the file first.java with extension as well. Okay, if we will not type this Java or javac, it will not compile. The javac which we are typing here means this is the compilation software which will compile this first.java file into another file that whose extension will be .class. That means that will run in the terminal. So let's do it. We'll press enter, and here you will see this a.class came into the existence. Why the name is A? If we have typed the first here, why A came here, and why dot class came here? So let's get this extraction. We have typed it here A, that means this was the name of the file. This class is the extension, and this A is the name. So that's why here we got this A dot class. Okay, you would have understood that why this A dot class came here. So we will do again open in terminal, and then we will type Java. Okay, this means the code is Java, and then we will type name of the file without the extension. Okay, but the name should be the name which the file is appeared here with, and it's appeared with A, and here we have A, and then we'll press enter. Okay, here it came, studies 24 into 7. Okay, that means this printed in this line. Okay, now this was not printed in another line. So that's what I was saying you, that if we will type here print ln, the code will be printed in second line. It will change its paragraph. Suppose I'll show you. I'll type here ln now, and I'll save it. Now when I'll run this in terminal is already opened. Suppose java first.java. Now after compilation, this file again compiled now, and now we will write java.a, and here you will see this came into the new line. So here it was, here you will see it was in the same line, but here this is in two different lines. That means this came into the different line. So this was all about this tutorial. Hope you would have understood this, and as you all know, give a thumbs up to us and subscribe to our channel. So hope you like this, and I'll be back with new video related to this Java, and we will keep on working on this, and with time being we will get a good hold on this Java. Thank you very much for watching.